Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in or creating an account. Use the same name on your ID. Once done, enter your license number and basic info so the app can populate forms. Make sure location and notifications are enabled to see nearby test slots and real-time updates. If you plan to upload documents, allow camera and storage permissions now. This avoids interruptions later and speeds up scheduling and verification when you book your practical or theory test. You now search for test centers using filters like distance, date range, or vehicle class. Start narrow, then broaden if needed. Once you find a slot, compare cancellations and waitlists to pick the earliest reliable option. Make sure to select the correct vehicle type and any extras such as an interpreter or automatic vehicle requirement. After confirmation, review all personal details and test rules, then proceed to payment. Save the booking confirmation and add it to your calendar inside. Before the test, use the app's practice modules and the pre-test checklist to cover maneuvers, paperwork, and routes. Do this 24 to 48 hours beforehand. On test day, arrive 15 to 30 minutes early with your ID, booking confirmation, and a charged phone for any check-ins. If something goes wrong, slot disappears, payment fails, or tech errors, open in-app support, submit a screenshot, and join the cancellation list to rebook quickly. This keeps you on track and reduces last-minute stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.